Hey guys, we are continuing our series on the probability of independent events today. And what is an independent event? Well, two events are independent if the occurrence of one has no effect on the occurrence of the other. So our general formula is the probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. Okay, so remember when you see the word and in probability, it means you're going to multiply. Okay, and means multiply or means add. For a fundraiser, a class sells 150 raffle tickets for a mall gift certificate and 200 raffle tickets for a booklet of movie passes. You buy 5 raffle tickets for each prize. What is the probability that you win both prizes? Well, I'm going to go ahead and look at this and I'm going to say, well, they give me a lot of information here and I just need to go ahead and plug in to see what it is for the probability of A. Well, probability of A, we'll call event A the 150 raffle tickets for the mall gift certificate, okay? And this will be our A, and I'm going to highlight that in red. This is event A. And event A, we said, is you buy 5 raffle tickets for a mall gift certificate. So 5 out of the 150. Now I have to say, okay, well, what is the probability of event B? Well, first we have to define event B, and we're going to do that. And event B, we're going to say, is the 200 raffle tickets for a booklet of movie passes. And we're going to define that right here as event B. Okay. So the probability of B happening, well, how many tickets do you buy? It looks like the question says 5 tickets were purchased. Out of how many? 200. And I don't like big numbers in math. I just don't. I always tell my students, reduce it so you can just do it in your head. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the 5 over 150. Well, 5 is the common factor for both. So I'm going to say 5 goes into 5. How many times? 1. 5 goes into 150. How many times? Well, 5 goes into 15 3 times. So 5 goes into 150 30 times. We'll use the same reasoning for reducing 5 over 200. We know 5 is the common factor. So 5 goes into 5. How many times? 1. 5 goes into 200. How many times? Well, 5 goes into 20 4 times. So 5 must go into 200 40 times. And now I'm just going to multiply. And my rule for multiplying fractions is go ahead and multiply the numerators. That's the number on top of the fraction. 1 times 1 is 1. The rule for multiplying fractions with denominators is just go ahead and multiply the denominators together. Well, 30 times 40, well, if you can't do that in your head, just remember that 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to write down 12. And there's 2 zeros there, 1 in the 30, 1 in the 40. So the answer is 1200. And I've just answered the question and you've helped me. What is the probability that you win both prizes? The probability that you win both prizes is 1 out of 1200 chances. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. Blessings, my friends. I am going to sign off now. That is a wrap.